Progress report on the operation of terminals number 3 and number 4 of Hai Phong International Gateway Port. With a vision of becoming one of the world's leading seaports, the superport in Lakewood area is being invested in construction with a huge scale of up to 2,000 hectares, a coastline of about 55 kilometers, and it is expected that about 13 to 15 ports like this will be deployed. In this video, we would like to quickly update the progress of the investment project to build berth number 3 and number 4 of Hai Phong International Gateway Port, invested by Hai Phong Port Joint Stock Company, a member of VIMC. The investment project to build International Container Port number 3 and number 4 was approved by the Prime Minister in Decision number 1323 QD-TTG dated October 9, 2019, with Hai Phong Port Joint Stock Company as the project owner. The above project is implemented with a total capital of 6,946 billion Vietnam dong. Regarding the scale, the project includes 2 main wharves, which is 750 meters long, a barge wharf which is 150 meters long, a system of cargo yards, roads, and auxiliary works and synchronous technical infrastructure on an area of 47 hectares. Main equipment for exploitation consists of 6 STS cranes on the main wharf, 24 RTG cranes, 2 reach stacker forklift, 1 container forklift, 50 tractors and trailers, 1 repair workshop crane, and 2 vehicle scales at the port gate. To exploit terminals 3 and 4 of Hai Phong International Gateway Port, Hai Phong Port Joint Stock Company has signed a joint venture agreement to exploit the port with Terminal Investment Limited, a subsidiary specializing in the exploitation and investment of container ports of the world's largest shipping company, Mediterranean Shipping Company, with the trading name of the TIL International Port Limited Liability Company Hai Phong Port. Hai Phong Port aims to put the project into operation in Phase 1 from April 1st, 2025 and complete the entire project in the same year. The completion and operation of container terminals 3 and 4 will enhance the cargo clearance capacity of Hai Phong International Gateway Port, making an important contribution to the economic and trade development of the region as well as the whole country. There are 5 things will be completed in Phase 1 in order to begin serving for ships reception for cargo loading. First of all, construction works. Complete dredging in front of berth number 3 to reach the design depth of -16 meters. Complete internal roads, gate number 1, traffic connection roads outside the port. Complete construction of 7 RTG blocks after berth number 3. Complete the operator's house, workers' living quarters. Complete the electricity and water systems, fire protection, wastewater treatment system, protective fence. Second of all, electrical system. Complete and accept the power connection to serve the operation of STS and RTG. Complete the lamp posts on the bridge and on the yard for lighting and installation of technological equipment. As for IT system, complete the construction and installation of infrastructure, IT equipment at the wharf, yard, gate, and the production management department and procedures department. In addition, we have conducted training for the forces participating in the process of serving the exploitation of Phase 1. Speaking of operational equipment, complete the handover and put into operation 8 RTGs and 3 STS cranes. Last but not least, the port focuses on completing administrative procedures to be able to ready for operation, seaport security certification, oil spill response plan and environmental license, fire protection and prevention, report to the Acceptance Inspection Council, customs declaration point registration and port code, ready for operation announcement, seaport exploitation eligibility certificate. The above plan is expected to be completed before March 30th, 2025, to be ready to put the system into operation. When the port is put into operation, the IT system is considered the central brain of the port. so the construction process of the IT system is being focused on and accelerated, such as smart gate automatic gate system, checking point system applying AI technology to automatically recognize license plates, numbers and container status will become a superior advantage in the field of port exploitation. The main party in charge of the IT system construction is a joint venture among KTD, HIPT and Mitos, in which the main contractor KTD Trading and Service Company Limited is the leader of the joint venture. With more than 15 years of experience in providing IT service infrastructure for ports in Vietnam, and is currently the honorable party chosen by Hai Phong Port to construct IT infrastructure. Accompanying the project implementation is a port management software provider with more than 30 years of experience providing TOS software, which is a leading smart and modern port management and operation software, currently being applied at more than 110 ports in the world as well as 8 ports in Vietnam. The joint venture of Total Soft Bank or TSB Korea and TSB Vietnam has focused on human resources and committed to strive to complete the bid package to ensure quality and exceed the required schedule. To implement the project at berth 3 and 4 of Langkawi International Gateway Port, the joint venture of KTD, HIPT, Mitos Contractors has arranged a total of over 60 workers and engineers from KTD, HIPT and Mitos Contractors. To focus on accelerating the progress, the contractor has opened an office right in Cat Hai to conveniently construct and install in sync with infrastructure construction. Currently, 80% of goods and IT equipment has been handed over. Completed installation and setup of IT equipment for the server room system in Phase 1. Completed connection and test installation of TOS and smart gate systems. Completed installation and configuration of computer systems, printers, copyrighted software, network equipment, and Wi-Fi as per Phase 1, etc. These are expected to put into stable operation before March 30th, 2025 to serve the exploitation of port number 3. With a strategic vision and strong investment, Hai Phong Port is committed to continuing to lead in the seaport sector, bringing great values to the Vietnamese shipping industry. Container terminals number 3 and number 4 put into operation in Phase 1 from April 1st, 2025, which is an important step marking the strong development of the port, creating favorable conditions for economic development and moving towards a sustainable future.